Hey, welcome to Bog Brook Auto. Today we're taking a look at one of our remanned engines. This is a remanufactured LQ9. In fact, we made it and we call it an '06 vintage because that was the year that you got the sexy bonnet. So what we do is we start with a seasoned block, LQ4, LQ9, it doesn't matter. We put new flat top pistons in it, rings, bearings. We rebuild it. The cranks are sent out, polished, mic'd. Rods, we use the big full floating wrist pin rods. Those are seasoned rods also, which means they are inspected, mic'd, checked for straight. Actually, we've never had a problem with them. Usually when a rod goes, it goes. We call this all the fruit also. We have the alternator, the starter, everything. We leave everything. We have the AC. These guys did a great job with this. It's all set up. The intake, the mass airflow here, the 317 heads. Again, our standalone harness is there. We can go 4L60, 4L80. In fact, this has an adapter. The tune that we have for this and the harness was in a Denali. So it was a 6-liter and it had a 4L65 in it. The customer wanted a 4L80, no problem. There is the tack module and pedal there. And I'm sure I'll get at least 50 people that will email me and ask me what the horsepower is on this engine. Please look it up. It is 345 horse. It is just a rebuilt stock LQ9. But of course, I get about 20 requests a week for low mileage LQ9s. So we're using our prowess and we are rebuilding these engines. That is a truck pan. And if you want something tweaked, we could probably do that. We don't mind working with you. We build engines from the ground up, put different heads on them, different cams. But this particular offering is a brand spanking new rebuilt LQ9 with all fresh bonneting. And I believe we offer these on eBay these days. We have yet to get our website up and running. I can't keep an engine in stock at this point. So if you like what you see, if you have any questions, give us a call here at Bog Brook Auto. The number is 207-261-1341 or 1341. And thanks.